Hi, this is Rachel on customer success at Upflow. In this video, we will talk about the collections process. Fixing the problems on cash collection should start by having a process that is much better than managing communication on an Excel spreadsheet. Here at Upflow, we have workflows to help structure your communication touchpoints. A workflow is a pre-configured template of actions to chase your customers' unpaid invoices. We know that chasing invoices isn't as simple as sending one or two emails. It's about having the right context. Involving the right people within your organization is critical in collecting invoices. Not only is it essential to include the finance team, but including customer success, account managers, and the sales team ensures you reach out to the right people at the right time. That's not always an easy process to manage, but with Upflow, it's easy to create a workflow to loop in the right teammates so they can send tailored messages to your customers. In an action, you can decide who is responsible, when the action will be executed, and with Upflow's omnichannel approach, you can go beyond emails by including phone calls and sending letters as part of your communications. You can also embed internal to-dos to stay on top of the collection process. To further increase efficiency, you can automate the sending of emails and letters. We recognize that collections is not a one-size-fits-all approach. You may have a different process for your enterprise customers compared to your SMB customers, or you might have a different tone with legacy customers compared to your newer customers. Users can segment out your customer base by creating multiple workflows. Each workflow can have its own sequence of actions so that you can have a better tailored experience for your audience of customers. Additionally, Upflow provides users with best-in-class templates, and you can measure the performance of each workflow to make better decisions based on data. Now let's take a look at what these actions look like. Once your customers are assigned to workflows, it's time to take actions. Let's preview a couple examples. When it's time to make a phone call, you'll notice that you have a call script to make sure that you're hitting all key objectives. You're also able to take notes in line while you're on the phone with your customer. Before calling, we recommend viewing the customer timeline to make sure you have the context on any prior communications. Once the call is done, you can mark the disposition of the call. With an email task, you can edit the body of the email by bolding, italicizing, or underlining any communications. You can also attach files such as their overdue invoices. Marking send will clear this action and queue up your next action. You can also take notes and tag other teammates, letting them know exactly what your next move is. You can also pause communications by rescheduling them at a later time. Reviewing the customer timeline is key, so you can understand whether or not the right people at your customer's company are viewing the communication. You can also track any executed actions by visiting the All tab.